Visual Chart Designer Pro is your easy-to-use, fully customizable chart design tool. Mint a new chart by clicking on the Editor toolbar icon, which creates the configuration in your content panel. The design view has everything you'll need to create unlimited variations of charts, easily controlling every aspect of its design. You can choose from a variety of popular presets, choose your own colors, or use the AI designer to describe your style in plain text. The design view makes it easy to visualize what your chart will look like in production, thanks to the variety of simulated data you can choose from while working on theme. Visual Chart Designer Pro supports 8 chart types including line, area, scatter, bar, pie, donut, polar area, and radar, all drawn by a single high-performance Slate renderer. Save any look as a reusable theme asset and apply it across projects. A built-in palette library ships dozens of research designer, brand, and color theory sets, with automatic contrast for pie, donut, and polar slice labels, and a manual override when you want one. Charts get their series from a data source, engine stats, game state, static authored data, or data table/CSV JSON Import. Add a new data shape by subclassing the data source base, and it appears automatically in the simulation dropdown. Rolling window and real-time updates are built in. One click sends a configured chart into a UMG widget blueprint, complete with a worked example event graph, so you can wire live data from blueprint immediately. Full pointer interaction, hover, tooltips, and hit testing is built in. Visual Chart Designer Pro is easy to use. Every chart takes the same data format, so there's only one mental model to understand, and 3 types of blueprint nodes to create the chart object, define the chart type, then add data to it. Charts can also be fully interactive, emitting mouse events that you can consume to trigger actions. For designers who want to describe their style in text, you can use the built-in AI style panel to control every aspect of the chart's design. Simply type what you want in plain text and have your chart styled automatically for you. This is a Bring Your Own Key feature. Simply provide your OpenAI or Anthropic key in the panel, and it will be saved for future use. It's easy to export your chart to a user widget. Just click the button at the top and it will create a template with all of the blueprint nodes wired up for you. Simply copy this into your HUD or use this as your base to use it live. The chart is easily controllable with 3 nodes: Create Chart Builder, Create Chart Type, and Add Data Point, with a bulk or labeled variation also available. You don't need to worry about having to manage a complex web of nodes. Everything is fully controllable through these 3 nodes, and your chart will be pre-styled with your design. The plugin comes built in with help docs and a feature request and feedback interface. The plugin is actively under development with regular updates and a feature roadmap already planned. Let us know if you have any feature request and we'll do our best to accommodate. It's easy to go from chart design view to interactive chat on your player's viewport. Simply create the chart in the style you want. Hit the Open in UMG button, which creates a user widget blueprint with everything already wired up. Adjust the visual location and size of your chart, it will scale automatically, and add any data points to the chart series. To add the user widget to your player's screen, follow the typical procedure of adding it to the level's Begin Play blueprint graph. Create the new widget, add it to the viewport. To allow the user to interact with your graph, simply select the player controller and set the Show Mouse Cursor option to true.